A very good morning to you and welcome to the Morning Outlook Report. I'm Rachel Jones reporting live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now the Australian share market is poised to open higher today, tracking robust overnight gains on Wall Street. The ASX 200 is set to open 29 points or 0.4% higher this morning. Yesterday, the share market rebounded from yesterday's fall thanks to a rise in miners and banks. At the closing bell, the S&P ASX 200 was 0.9% or 68 points higher at 7,393. Across the sectors, 9 out of 11 closed in the green. Materials closed the highest, up 1.4%, followed by financials up 1.3%, and consumer staples up 1%. Technology finished the lowest, down 0.2%, followed by communication services. In the US, the stock index futures were steady during overnight trading. That's following on from commentary from the Federal Reserve. The central bank says it will begin to slow its bond buying program, signalling that the economy can now handle an unwinding of the pandemic stimulus. And in local business news from this morning, US payments giant Square stockholders approved a share issuance for an Afterpay deal. They'll release the scheme booklet tomorrow, subject to court approval, which is today, following registration with the local securities regulator. And Adbri has acquired Zano's Concrete and Quarries, a Queensland concrete plant and quarry operator, for $58 million. Now, this business operates 2 concrete plants, with approval for an additional concrete plant, a sand and gravel quarry, and a hard rock quarry. This is all located in the western area of Brisbane. The deal will be financed through existing debt facilities, and the acquisition is expected to be complete in January 2022. Leading environmental technology company EnviroSuite has executed a memorandum of understanding for a strategic partnership with Aeroqual. They're a global leader in air quality monitoring technology to pursue and develop joint market opportunities. The MOU outlines a framework for the joint pursuit between the parties in mining, wastewater and industrial sectors, with a package offering of EnviroSuite's environmental intelligence technology with Aeroqual's air quality stations, monitors and technology anticipated to accelerate market opportunities for both companies. Well, now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect the trading day.
Tune in to stay updated while on the move.
We will tell you where the crypto craze has reached,
Where the property market is headed next.
what the world is doing to become more environmentally friendly.
Apart from tracking the daily market charter.
Be on top of the latest news and announcements
With Kalkine TV.
And welcome back to the Morning Outlook Report. Over in the US, the Fed has announced plans to taper, with plans to end bond purchases in 2022. And this is while holding the belief that the inflation remains transitory. The Fed highlighted that global supply difficulties are adding to inflation risks. Higher US crude stocks saw oil fall to a 4-week low. Oil prices slipped as traders sold oil amid another big rise in US stockpiles. Now, US crude fell 4.31% to $80.29 a barrel. Brent was at $81.42. That was down 3.9%. Iron ore gained 3.4% overnight, but remained below the $100 a tonne, while Chinese coking coal futures rose around 15% on tight supply there. The base metals complex slipped overnight on concerns of the US cutting their stimulus and also growth concerns in China. Gold prices fell near 3-week lows after the US Fed showed its intent to start tapering the bond purchases. Spot gold fell 0.9% to $1,771 an ounce. Meanwhile, copper prices fell, with 3-month copper on the London Metal Exchange falling 0.6% to $9,436 a tonne. Well, that's all for our Morning Outlook report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading and stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.